The owner of a downtown Macon steakhouse tells 13 WMAZ he is considering legal action against the county after the county denied his restaurant an alcohol license.
Bibb County leaders rejected the Cotton Ranch's license Tuesday after reviewing their business practices. Jessica Cha spoke with Mayor Lester Miller to find out why and then got the owner's reaction.
According to Facebook posts from a Macon restaurant group, the Cotton Ranch has, quote, been closed due to unforeseen circumstances since mid-September. And on their door is a notice posted by the gas company saying that they should pay their bill to avoid being disconnected. They've only been open since late May, but...
Well, we've had several issues from the very beginning on particular one of the businesses that we have downtown called the Cotton Ranch.
In July, the Cotton Ranch applied for an alcohol license. And Mayor Lester Miller says they delayed voting due to complaints about the business.
Issues with paying some employees there, potentially misusing some permits there for our special event permits.
Miller says the Cotton Ranch was serving alcohol from another business they owned before they got their own alcohol license. He says that's illegal.
We placed some restrictions and waited a couple of weeks when doing the approval there on purpose.
Miller says more complaints started rolling in, even from other counties.
We had received several calls from Eatonton, Georgia, where the check had been bounced for some alcohol, which you can't do.
Miller says the last straw was getting a letter from the State Department of Revenue
asking us not to grant the license on their behalf because of failure to make some payments on fees that they have.
Miller says with all of these red flags,
we're not trying to prevent them from opening up a legitimate business, but like I said, when we have issues there that show us a cause for concern, we have to investigate those, and going on, it just made plain sense to go ahead and deny this license.
Cotton Ranch owner Todd Miles says he did not want to comment on the denial, but he said he didn't know why the license was being turned down, and he's talking to his lawyers about possible legal action. In Macon, Jessica Cha, 13 WMAZ News.
Mayor Miller says they sent a letter to Todd Miles, the owner, notifying him of the denial. He says Miles did not appeal the decision.